Hey there, welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into GitHub, one of the most powerful platforms for developers. In this video, we'll learn how to create a GitHub account, edit your profile, customize appearance settings, and create your very first repository. Sounds exciting? Let's get started. First, open your browser and head over to github.com. Take a look, this is GitHub's homepage. Here, you'll find everything you need to know about GitHub and its features. Alright, let's scroll up to the top of the page and click on Sign Up for GitHub. 1. Enter your email address. Let me type that in. Done? Great. Click on Continue. 2. Now create a strong password. Hit Continue. 3. Time to choose a username. Let me add something cool. How about Devon95? Perfect. Continue. Next, we'll solve a quick puzzle for verification. Just use the arrow keys to rotate the object so it matches the direction of the hand. There we go. Click Submit. GitHub now asks for email verification. So let's hop over to our Gmail. Here's the verification code. 253072125. Back to GitHub. Enter the code and you're in. Now GitHub will ask a few questions. Describe yourself. How many team members will be working with you? Select any answers you prefer. There are no wrong choices here. Finally, you'll choose between two options, free account or student benefits if you're eligible. I'll go with the free plan for now. And congratulations, your GitHub account is officially set up. Editing your profile. Let's head to your profile now and customize it. Click Edit Profile. And here you can add details like your name, bio, or even a profile picture. Next, let's tweak the appearance settings. Go to Appearance and choose between light or dark mode. Creating your first repository. Now for the exciting part, creating a repository. 1. Go to the Repositories tab on your profile. 2. Click New. 3. Give your repository a name, like My First Repo. 4. Add a description if you want, it's optional. 5. Choose whether it's public or private. Here's an important step. Check the box to add a README file. This file is super helpful. It lets you explain what your repository is all about to others. Click Create Repository, and that's it. Your first repository is live. Adding and managing files. To upload files, click on Add File. You'll have two options. Upload files from your computer or create new files directly in GitHub. For now, let's upload a file. 1. Click Choose File. 2. Select your file from your computer. Remember, in GitHub, saving changes is called commit changes. So click on that and your file is saved. Want to share your repository? GitHub gives you a link you can share with anyone. It's that easy. Editing files in README. Let's quickly edit our README file. Click the little pencil icon. Make your changes. If you need a new line, use the tag, just like in HTML. Save your changes and done. You can also download your repository as a folder or delete files if needed. And there you have it. You've successfully set up your GitHub account, customized your profile, and created your first repository. That's a wrap for part 1. There's so much more to explore, so stay tuned for the next video. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon to stay updated. See you soon.